Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we are talking about your Unbounce landing page. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the destination for your Unbounce landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the landing page destination in Unbounce anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have a high converting landing page, but sometimes the destination page is going to change, whether that's going to be to your website or directly to the affiliate offer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Unbounce account, and this is the home page. Now here on the home page, if you want to change the destination for one of your Unbounce landing pages, first what you want to do is here on the left, click on Pages. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the landing pages you have with Unbounce. You can see I just have this one. Now, in order to change the destination page, you're going to have to edit it. So here next to the page, go ahead and click on these three dots and then click on Edit. Okay, so once you click there, you will be in the Unbounce landing page editor. Now, in order to change the destination, when someone fills out your form on your landing page, what you're going to do is scroll down to the form. You can see I just have this one right here, and you're just going to click on the form. Once you do that, you're going to see these dotted lines around the form. Once you see the dotted lines, you're going to be able to edit the properties here on the right side. So we have page properties, and then we have the properties for the form. Now what we're going to do is scroll down until you see this section here called Form Confirmation. So what's going to happen is when someone enters their information and they click Book My Visit on my form, as of right now, they're just going to see a dialog saying that the form has been submitted. But if you want to change the destination and reroute them to an affiliate offer or to another page on your website, all you're going to do is just click right here next to this little arrow, and then you're going to see a drop down, and you can go ahead and choose Go to URL. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and type in the URL. So let's say hotmail.com. Okay, so now what's going to happen is when someone submits their form on Unbounce with my landing page, they're going to end up being redirected to hotmail.com. So for you, maybe you're going to route to a specific page on your website that will display a PDF download or an offer or something like that. Now, once you set this up, be sure to click Save here on the top in blue, and it's going to go ahead and save. And then we want to go ahead and republish and click on Republish. Okay, now all the changes have been saved. So now we've changed the destination for our landing page in Unbounce. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the destination with your landing page on Unbounce, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.